the collection of women's contributions. I have uploaded a few articles and books on this subject. The status of women and right to achieve Brahma Vidya in ancient India. Then Vaidyanatha Prasada Prashasti of Devakumariga, Sandana Gopala Kavyam of Lakshmi Rani of Kadattanattu, Sudarshana of Pranamanjari. Then women in literature from before Christ 1st century up to 17th century, that I have collected as a whole. Then women in administrative positions in ancient India, what they have contributed. Then two other books a little bit earlier I have uploaded. They are the Voice of Silence. This is apart from the discussion in Sudha Sindhu of Gargi and Maitreyi and their conversations with Yajnavalkya, and discussion on Ubhaya Bharati and her question to Shankaracharya. These are the things that I have just thought about, the women's contributions to literature and philosophy. The importance of this book is that a woman had written an extensive treatise on the concept of time, which is about the time and space concept of modern astronomers. Now, Gargi had done a lot on that. In Sudha Sindhu, probably you have seen, those who have read might have seen how she had talked about the time and space concept. Here, this Kamala Madhava Lakshmi, this is a treatment from the Vedic and Samhita point of view, the view of the Sankhya, the view of the Vaisheshika, and the astronomy of the East. She had actually given the entire thing. And yet, what she arrives at is exactly what the modern astronomers think of time. Just as Gargi also has done the same thing. In Sudha Sindhu, describing the debate of Yajnavalkya and Gargi, I had described the time-space concept of Vedic India. Lakshmi Devi is aware of the concept. In our collections of women's contributions, we had seen women writing on customs, rites, Purana, literature, Tirthayatra, this and that. Most of the women are concerned with the pranaya. Right from before Christ, women are thinking and speaking and writing poetry about pranaya. And so when I read that and modern women poets' works, I just think, what is the new thing that the modern poets have done? This pranaya has been done, written, and this thing has been there from right before Christ. You will see that in the collection, how they were very openly speaking about these things. But at that time and during this time, what is rare in women? Intellect, how they write about mathematics, astronomy, how they write about philosophy. Those things are not seen in older or in the newer texts. So that is what is rare in women in this time-space continuum. That is what I find by collecting these things. A woman on Tantra, I have found Pranamanjari. And this one, Kamala Madhava Lakshmi, is a treatise, very rare one on astronomical concept of time. That is the importance of the entire collection.